Hi, my name is Tara Through. I work at Adirondack Truck Repair. We are located in Queensbury, New York, and we do basically everything from auto repair, truck repair, RV repair. We have lots of equipment. We have tire balancers. We have alignment machine, mount and dismount machine for tires, whole bunch of diagnostic software for Cummins, Detroit, pretty much every major brand out there we have because they all come into the shop. We do PMs here. We do mobile repair, small stuff for mobile, like if somebody needs tire changed, if they need a filter, if they need a belt, stuff like that. But anything more than that, then we would end up having them towed into the shop. What is the most beneficial part of Fullbay for me? I'm going to say the invoicing for me, going into QuickBooks, the payments where I don't have to do things double anymore, which is fantastic. The vendor invoicing for the parts, super simple. Again, I don't have to do double, which is awesome because it's, it takes time if you have to do it twice. Fullbay helps us on the service side. The customers are loving it because of their own special portal. They can see what needs to be done. Their invoices are there for them to view before they even come here to pick up their vehicle. Fullbay helps on the parts side. Inventory was so much easier this year, keeping track of what's there, showing us if we need the parts. Every morning we come in, Scott has the ability to see what needs to be ordered, what we don't have in stock. As an owner, it makes my customers happy. That is our key here. We are all about customer service here, so that is number one for us. They're extremely happy with the way things are being done now, so that makes us happy. I highly recommend Fullbay for sure. Anybody out there that is considering purchasing it, purchase it, because it will make your life a lot easier.